Hey there! Ever felt stiff as a board after a long day of sitting at your desk or lounging on the couch? What if I told you there's a simple way to feel more relaxed, more flexible, and even a bit happier? Intrigued? Stick around because today we're diving into the world of yoga, and I promise it's not as daunting as it sounds. Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring some yoga poses that can transform your flexibility and relaxation levels. Whether you're a complete newbie or someone looking to deepen their practice, there's something here for you. Let's start with a quick warm-up and move into the poses, but stay tuned until the end for a special tip that could take your yoga practice to the next level. First up, let's talk about the cat-cow pose. This is an excellent way to start your yoga session as it gently warms up your spine and improves flexibility. Begin on your hands and knees, align your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone towards the sky. This is the cow pose. On your exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest. That's the cat pose. Flow between these two for a minute and feel your spine awakening. Feeling the stretch already? Great! This next pose is perfect for those tight hamstrings. It's called the downward dog. Start in a plank position, then lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. If your heels don't touch the ground, that's okay. Focus on lengthening your spine and relaxing your neck. This pose not only stretches your hamstrings, but also strengthens your arms and shoulders. Now, let's move into a pose that's amazing for relaxation, the child's pose. From downward dog, drop your knees to the mat, sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and breathe deeply. This pose is a fantastic way to release tension in your back and shoulders, making it a perfect counterbalance to our busy lives. All right, here's a pose that might just become your new favorite, the pigeon pose. Start in a plank position. Bring your right knee forward, placing it behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg back, keeping your hips square to the mat. Lower your torso over your right leg and breathe deeply. This pose is incredible for opening up your hips and releasing stress. Remember to switch sides after a few breaths. Ever wonder why yoga practitioners always seem so zen? It's not just the poses, it's the mindful breathing and the sense of calm they bring. But there's a little-known secret to deepening this calm, and it's called Pranayama, or breath control. But more on that in a moment. Before we wrap up, let's try one last pose, the corpse pose or savasana. Lie flat on your back, legs spread comfortably apart, arms by your sides with palms facing up. Close your eyes and just breathe. This pose helps to integrate all the benefits of your practice and leaves you feeling deeply relaxed. Now, about that special tip, pranayama. This involves simple breathing exercises that can enhance your yoga practice and overall well-being. One easy method is the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7 and exhale for 8. Try this after your practice and notice how it amplifies your sense of calm and relaxation. Yoga is more than just a workout. It's a way to reconnect with your body and mind. So, whether you're looking to boost your flexibility, reduce stress, or just take a break from your day, these poses are a fantastic place to start. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you next time as we explore even more ways to find balance and joy in our lives.